Hi, welcome back to my kitchen. I'm so happy to see you again. Here I'm excited to show you how to make something very cheap, easy, and sugarless without oil pancakes. You may enjoy them with cheese, cream, honey, or your favorite jam. They are perfect for a quick breakfast, coffee time, or even for supper. You only need self-rising flour, egg, and milk. Check out my previous video on how to make your own self-rising flour. It is super easy. Now we only need to mix these three ingredients into a bowl. Crack one medium egg, add in half cup of milk, whisk to combine them well, then gradually add in a cup of self-rising flour. Mix well. You can check its consistency. We need a filling in the kitchen too, right? Sometimes we need to adjust the ingredients respectively. For me, there is no so-called accurate measurement in the kitchen. For this recipe, we need the batter runny but not watery. Heat up a pan up to your sizes. I'm going mini today for presentation purpose. If you use medium pan, you can only get 3 to 4 medium-sized pancakes. Bake them over medium heat for about 2 minutes per side or until you can see there are big pores on its surface. Flip it over and bake the other side. Repeat this process until no more batter left. Try not to make it too thick for even cooked pancakes. These pancakes are suitable for everyone who wants a healthy pancake but not to sacrifice deliciousness. It's an ideal recipe for anyone who wants to eat clean, nutritious food without spending too much time in the kitchen. Simple ingredients, quick preparation, and a delicious result. That's what home cooking is all about. If you are not restricted to consume animal fat, maybe you can consider to apply butter on the pan before cooking the batter. If you want fluffier pancakes, you can add some oil into the batter. I can be sure they are still cheaper and healthier than the pancakes you bought from stores. Serve these pancakes when they are warm. Look, they are fluffy inside and crispy outside. I hope today's recipe is useful for you. If it is, please rate it and leave a comment. Also, share it to those who need it. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not done it. Thanks for watching. Till we meet again in the next cooking. Bye-bye.